So guys, today we're out here at the Matt Jones motorcycle dealership, and with me is Matt Jones himself. How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. And today we're going to be collecting the KX250X. So Matt, you've actually put Rec Reg on the bike. Tell us a little bit more about the Rec Reg.
So here at our dealership we can fit Rec Reg to any off-road Kawasaki motorcycle. As you can see on this unit we have the Rec Reg kit set up with headlight, the tail light and the necessary requirements for Rec Reg for our state.
So this is actually a kit that a customer can bring away and do it themselves, but it's recommended that you would do it.
So we obviously can supply and fit the kit for your bike when you buy it new, or if for a second-hand bike you can actually fit the kit and take it to Vic Roads and get the Rec Reg yourself.
Cool. So Matt, this is actually a great bike for Victorians because we can actually put the kit on it and then go out into the bush, isn't that right?
That's right. Obviously we have limitations what we can do with the Rec Reg, but it allows us to go into state parks and obviously ride legally in the bush.
So Matt, this is quite an exciting time of year with Kawasaki bringing out a new bike.
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously an off-road model that can be ridden in the bush, obviously track also, and we also have the option for the 450X also.
So Matt, you've done an amazing job on the bike, super happy with it. What are the things that you've actually done to the bike?
So besides the Rec Reg kit with MXTV, we actually put on some Pirelli tyres, the Polysport handguards and headlight. It's obviously part of the PD, we've lubricated the bearings and that are necessary. In regards to the swing arm, we've zinc coated the axle adjuster nuts and the threads as well, just to prevent the seasoning of that over time in the water. We fit an hour meter for service intervals, just so you keep an eye on how many hours it's done and when it's due for service. Obviously, a high performance bike, they need to be serviced at regular intervals.
So Matt, super stoked with what you've done to the bike. A lot of attention to detail, absolutely keen to go out and rip it up.
Thank you, look forward to the review.